although I'm sure you missed it, Oliver was one of them. Our next musical is The Color Purple. It's no different. It follows the life of Sally as she changes and grows.
And you got guys?
No, this time it's more my style. This year will be performed by Symphonia. Oh, that sounds like a utopia. Imagine an all-women's choir here for me. And you know what? They're pretty good looking too.